You know the feeling, long, tiring days. Coming home should be a relief, but instead, you're met with chaos. Toys, dishes, dust everywhere, every corner filled with stuff, and the weight, it's not just a mess, it's missing out. Either spend more time with your family or spend the next few hours of your day cleaning. Thankfully, it doesn't have to be that way. We founded Ivy Cleans because we understand that you deserve more time to spend however you want without having to worry about cleaning. Whether you're looking for a regular spruce up or a thorough deep clean or settling into a new place, we've got you. Our team doesn't just clean, we bring back warmth. Your home, your memories, they matter to us. Now, why trust us? 75 glowing reviews can't be wrong. Folks like you who wanted more time, more joy. We brought that, and if you're not smiling at the end, we'll make it right. Life's about moments, not messes. With Ivy Cleans, find those moments again. Feel that warmth, that pride when you open your door. It's more than clean, it's love. A clean home isn't a luxury. It's a feeling, a memory, a moment. Experience it. Reclaim your time. Experience the Ivy Cleans difference. Ready for a cleaner, brighter home? Call Ivy Cleans now.